Hi friends, in this lecture we will discuss about some things about compounds and then we will discuss about mixtures. Okay, as you know that the name of our topic is elements, compounds and mixtures. Okay, तर आपल्याला माहिती आहे की एलिमेंट्स म्हणजे काय मूलद्रव्य ज्याच्याबद्दल आपण डिस्कस केलं. देर आर 118 elements now available. Okay, and out of these elements 92 elements are naturally occurring. Okay, then we have studied about compounds, okay, in previous lecture. Now let us see some things about compound. Okay, like element, we know that elements are represented by their symbols. Okay, तर जे एलिमेंट्स आहेत वेगवेगळ्या एलिमेंट्स असतात ते आपण सिम्बॉल्सना डिनोट करतो. ठीक आहे, लाईक ऑक्सिजन इज डिनोटेड बाय ओ. ओके, दॅट इज इंग्लिश अल्फाबेट. ओके, like carbon is denoted by letter C. Okay, fluorine is denoted by Cl. Helium is denoted by He. Hydrogen is denoted by H. Okay, we have discussed all these symbols of the different elements in previous lectures. Okay, so likewise, like an element, a compound is also, okay, let us see, like an element, compound is also written in an abridged form. ओके, तर आपण कंपाऊंडला पण रिप्रेझेंट करतो कशा पद्धतीने पाहूया. abridged form, a molecule of a compound is formed, as we know that a molecule, smallest particle of the compound, that is called as molecule. Okay, and this molecule, a molecule of a compound, the compound चा जो molecule असतो, molecule of a compound is formed by a chemical combination, is formed by a chemical combination of atoms of two or more elements. Chemical combination of atoms of two or more elements. Okay, two or more elements, दोन किंवा दोन पेक्षा जास्त एलिमेंटच्या ॲटम्सच्या केमिकल कॉम्बिनेशननी काय तयार होतो, वन मॉलिक्यूल ऑफ कंपाऊंड. ओके, वन मॉलिक्यूल ऑफ कंपाऊंड. देअरफॉर a molecular formula is used to represent a compound. Okay, त्यामुळे आपण काय करतो, therefore a molecular formula is used to a molecular formula is used to represent a compound, to represent a compound. the compound ला represent करण्यासाठी आपण काय यूज करतो, molecular formula किंवा chemical formula. ठीक आहे, एक molecular formula of a compound, a molecular formula, आणि पहा हे molecular formula काय असतो, a molecular formula, a molecular formula of a compound, a molecular formula of a compound is a short form of its name, is a short form of its name, written, its name written, its name written with the help of symbols of the constituent element, written with the help of symbols of constituent elements, constituent elements, constituent elements, constituent elements, and the number of their respective atoms, and the number of their and the number of their respective atoms, ओके. त्या ठिकाणी पहा, जो मॉलिक्युलर फॉर्म्युला असतो तर त्याच्यामध्ये आपण काय यूज करतो. मॉलिक्युलर फॉर्म्युला हा पण एक काय असतो, शॉर्ट फॉर्म असतो, जे कंपाऊंडचं नाव असतं त्याचा शॉर्ट फॉर्म. ठीक आहे. आणि हे आपण कशाच्या सहाय्याने लिहितो किंवा तयार करतो, तर विथ द हेल्प ऑफ सिम्बॉल्स ऑफ कन्स्टिट्युएंट एलिमेंट्स. तर त्या कंपाऊंड मध्ये जे एलिमेंट्स आहेत, ठीक आहे, ज्या एलिमेंट्स पासून ते कंपाऊंड बनलेलं आहे त्याच्यासाठी आपण जे काही सिम्बॉल्स वापरतो त्यांच्या सहाय्याने, आणि नंबर म्हणजे किती ॲटम्स आहेत त्याच्यामध्ये, ओके, आणि त्याच्या सहाय्याने आपण त्याला काय करतो, मॉलिक्युलर फॉर्म्युला आपण तयार करतो. ठीक आहे. फॉर एक्झाम्पल H2O, that is water. In that two symbols are there, that is H for hydrogen and O for oxygen. And H2 indicates, these two indicates two atoms of hydrogen. Okay. So symbols of the elements and their numbers. Okay. By using this we can represent a compound by their molecular formula, okay, or chemical formula. Remember that. Okay. For example, carbon dioxide. Okay. For example, तर या ठिकाणी एक्झाम्पल पाहू शकता तुम्ही, जसं आपण कार्बन डायऑक्साईडला लिहू शकतो, कार्बन डायऑक्साईड. ओके. कार्बन डायऑक्साईड त्यालाच आपण कसं लिहू शकतो, CO2. म्हणजे या ठिकाणी C फॉर कार्बन, O फॉर ऑक्सिजन, and these two indicates that there are two atoms of oxygen. Okay. So by using these symbols of elements and the number of their respective atoms, we represent any compound by by their molecular formula. Okay. So there are different compounds and their different molecular formulas are there, and we will discuss different compounds that we are using in our daily life or day-to-day life. Okay. What are their chemical names, common use names, okay, and molecular formulas, that will be discussed in next lecture. Okay. So remember these things, write down these things, then we will discuss about mixtures. Now here third part our topic, that is mixtures. Okay, three parts are there: elements, compounds and mixtures. Okay, so now we will discuss about mixtures. Okay friends, let us see about mixtures. Mixtures. Okay, mixtures. So what are the mixtures used in everyday life? You know that we use different mixtures in our daily life. Okay, and mixture is formed by mixing two or more elements or two or more compounds. Okay, by mixing these we can form mixture. Okay, but the basic difference between compounds and mixture is that in compounds the proportion of elements, okay, is fixed. Okay, but in case of mixtures the proportion of elements is not fixed. Okay, means the the quantity of elements, okay, or the compounds is varying, not fixed. Okay, in mixture. And other difference is in case of when there is a formation of compound. Okay, when compound is formed, a new substance is formed. A new substance is formed. नवीन substance तयार होतो. परंतु but in case of mixture no new substance is formed. नवीन substance तयार होत नाही. Okay, means from that we can say that the properties are not changing in case of mixtures. तर मिक्सरच्या बाबतीत काय होतं, जे प्रॉपर्टीज असतात ते प्रॉपर्टी चेंज होत नाहीयेत. ठीक आहे, प्रॉपर्टीज रिमेन्स सेम before forming mixture and after formation of mixture. The properties of the elements from which mixture is formed, that will remain same. Okay, so this is the basic difference between compounds and mixtures. Okay, so in our daily life we use different mixtures. We will discuss different examples of the mixtures. Okay, so let us see. आणि या मिक्सरला आपण काय म्हणतो मराठीमध्ये? मिश्रण. ओके, मिश्रण. मिश्रण म्हणजे काय? आपण मिक्स करून फिजिकली जे एलिमेंट्स असतात ते फिजिकली कंबाईन करून आपण काय जे सबस्टन्स तयार करतो आपण त्याला काय म्हणतो? मिक्सचर. ओके, so let us see about mixture. Prepare a sharbat. Okay, there are activities. Okay, might you have done that activities in, okay, at your home. Okay, so let us see first, that is try this. Okay, at home, not in school. Try this first. Prepare a sharbat. Okay, prepare a sharbat. Prepare a sharbat. Second one is prepare a bhel. Okay, prepare a bhel. Prepare a bhel. So here there is one question: did the taste of the original did did the taste of did the taste of original did the taste of original ingredients change? Ingredients change, ingredients change, ingredients change due to the above processes, due to the due to the above processes, due to the above processes. Okay, so let us see answer of this question. Okay, for preparing sharbat and bhel, we use different things. Okay, different substances. For preparing sharbat, we use water, then sugar, um, or uh, water, sugar, lemon. Okay, so and somebody can mix other things also, like some quantity of NaCl, that is salt. Okay, you can add on in that. Okay, so by mixing these ingredients, there is a formation of sharbat. Okay, uh, you know that the taste of sharbat is very uh, good taste. Okay, and we drink the sharbat especially in summer season. Okay, in hot sunny days. Okay, we drink that sharbat many times. So this sharbat is a mixture. Why this is mixture? Because by adding, by mixing all these ingredients, the taste will not change. That is, when we drink sharbat, there is a taste, that is sweet taste. Okay, taste of salt, taste of lemon. All these are tastes remain same before mixing and after mixing. Okay, we feel combined taste. Okay, of all these ingredients. That's why sharbat is a mixture. Okay, no new substance is formed. Okay, you are thinking that sir, sharbat is the new substance, but remember this thing: new substance means whose properties are very different. Okay, from original substances. That is called as new substance. Okay, new substance is not that we are making a new thing. That is not the meaning of new substance. Okay, the new substance is that substance which has very different properties than original elements or uh, original substances from which that new substance is formed. Okay, so sharbat is a mixture. Okay, remember. Okay, this. Then about a bhel. While preparing a bhel, we add or we mix different ingredients. Okay, and by mixing tomatoes, okay, chilies, masalas, okay, and onion, all these things, some quantity of sugar, okay, or different, somebody can add other things also. Okay, by adding these we make a bhel. Okay, and when we eat bhel, we can taste of all these ingredients. Okay, we can taste of tomatoes, we can taste of onion, we can taste of um, whatever we add in the bhel. Okay, and that's why bhel is also a mixture. Okay, so no new substance is formed. So what is the question? Did the taste of original ingredients change due to the above processes? Okay, so answer is no. No change of taste, no change of taste, no change of taste, no change of taste of original ingredients of original ingredients of original ingredients while while making while we prepare while we prepare a sharbat while we prepare a sharbat or a bhel. ओके, ज्यावेळेस आपण शरबत किंवा भेल तयार करतो त्यावेळेस या यांची टेस्ट ओरिजिनल इन्ग्रेडियंटची टेस्ट चेंज होणार नाही. ओके, सो नाउ वी विल डिफाइन मिक्सचर. A mixture is formed by mixing. First of all, write down this question and answer. Now let us see. A mixture is formed by mixing. A mixture a mixture a mixture is formed a mixture is formed by mixing by mixing a mixture is formed by mixing different elements or compounds. different एलिमेंट्स, वेगवेगळ्या एलिमेंट्स किंवा कंपाऊंड्सला मिक्स केल्यानंतर काय तयार होतं? मिक्सचर. ओके, और कंपाऊंड्स. रिमेंबर दिस. बाय मिक्सिंग डिफरेंट एलिमेंट्स और कंपाऊंड्स, मिक्सचर इज फॉर्म्ड. द proportion of various components in a mixture, the proportion of various elements or constituents, various constituents, the proportion of various constituents or various components or components in a mixture is not fixed. In a mixture is not fixed. ओके, तर हे खूप महत्वाचं आहे सेंटेन्स. कारण आपण ज्यावेळेस भेळ बनवतो किंवा शरबत बनवतो त्यावेळेस आपण एक अंदाजे आपण ऍड करतो. अंदाजे शुगर, वॉटर वगैरे. थोडंसं कमी जास्त झाले तर आपल्याला त्या ठिकाणी फरक पडत नाही. ठीक आहे, थोडीफार टेस्ट काय होते, चेंज होते. परंतु त्या ठिकाणी खूप असा मोठा बदल पडतो किंवा नवीन वेगळाच काहीतरी सबस्टन्स तयार होतो असं काही त्या ठिकाणी घडत नाहीये. ठीक आहे, ज्यावेळेस आपण कॉन्क्रीट बनवतो त्यावेळेस त्यामध्ये अंदाजे आपण ऍड करतो सिमेंट, त्यानंतर खडी, वाळू, ह्या गोष्टींचं जे मिश्रण असतं त्याला आपण कॉन्क्रीट म्हणतो. ठीक आहे, त्याच्यामध्ये थोडंफार त्या ठिकाणी कमी जास्त झालं, ते जे कंपोनेंट्स असतात ते कमी जास्त झाले तर त्या ठिकाणी फरक पडत नाही. ठीक आहे, त्यामुळे ते काय असतात, मिक्सचर. ओके, देन no chemical change takes place during the formation of mixtures. No chemical change, no chemical change, no chemical change takes place, no chemical change takes place during during formation of the mixtures, during formation of during formation of the mixtures. तर ज्यावेळेस मिक्सर्स तयार होतात त्यावेळेस त्या ठिकाणी कोणताही केमिकल चेंज घडत नाहीये. ठीक आहे. ड्युरिंग द फॉर्मेशन ऑफ मिक्सचर्स अँड नो न्यू सबस्टन्स इज फॉर्म्ड. आणि त्या ठिकाणी कोणताही नवा पदार्थ तयार होत नाही. अँड नो न्यू नो न्यू सबस्टन्स नो न्यू सबस्टन्स इज फॉर्म्ड. आणि त्या ठिकाणी कोणताही नवीन सबस्टन्स तयार होत नाही. इज फॉर्म्ड त्याला आपण काय म्हणतो मिक्सचर. ओके. रिमेंबर डिफरंट एक्झाम्पल्स शरबत, भेल, कॉन्क्रीट. ओके. all these are the mixtures. So can you tell what are the mixtures used in everyday life? As we know that bhel, sharbat, khichdi, then concrete. Okay. That is what the different examples of mixtures. You can also tell different examples. And one thing, cooking food. Okay. That is a chemical process. Okay. That is a chemical change. In that new substance is formed, and that's why that is the um, okay chemical change. Are all mixtures useful to us? Okay. Yes. Okay. We some mixtures are not useful us because um, in suppose in food grains. Okay. Some people add stones in that food grains to earn more profit. Okay. To earn more profit. For example, white stones, small stones are added in rice. Okay. And other in wheat. Okay. Brown colored stones are added. Okay. Adding these peoples. Okay. And their target is to earn the more profit, and this is called as adulteration of food. Okay. And this mixture, adding these stones, uh, the mixture of grains and stones is not useful to us. Okay. We have to separate these stones from the grains. That's why some mixtures are useful and some mixtures are not useful. Okay. So answer of this question, remember, this is the important question. Are all the mixtures useful to us? Are all the mixtures all the mixtures are all the mixtures useful to us? Are all the mixture useful to us? The answer of this question, let us see. Some mixtures, some mixtures are useful to us, and some mixtures and some mixtures and some mixtures are not useful to us. तर काही मिक्सर जे असतात ते आपल्यासाठी युजफुल नसतात. ठीक आहे. रिमेंबर दिस थिंग. राईट डाऊन दिस थिंग. So so friends, in this lecture we have studied about mixtures. Okay, hope you understand all these things in very well manner. In next lecture we will discuss about mixtures in more detail. Okay, keep studying. Thank you.